Medical benefits for employees can be established in CYMA Payroll. CYMA's Human Resources module is a powerful tool for establishing and maintaining complex benefits across an organization. In this video, we will establish a medical benefit and push it to a range of employees. But this medical benefit could easily be group term life insurance, dental benefits, 401k, or any other benefit that is applied based on eligibility. First, we will establish a benefit in Payroll using either a benefit feature or a pre-tax deduction feature. Here we'll choose pre-tax deduction feature. Select the appropriate GL accounts. Choose an amount per pay period as the calculation method. Please note that a dollar value of at least 1 needs to be in the employee amount and employer amount fields. This will later be overridden by the calculated amount from HR. Choose W-2 box and code label. In the case of this medical benefit, we are choosing W-2 12 code and code 4. In the next section, we will modify the box label to DD. This is particularly helpful for any organization subject to the Affordable Care Act compliance rules. Next, we'll add this payroll feature to a single employee. At this point, you will also want to modify the W-2 code for the employee and employer W-2. Simply overwrite code 4 with DD and save the employee. From here, you could set up each employee individually, or you could use CYMA's copy feature, or you could use the Human Resources module to add this feature automatically at the time of enrollment. CYMA Human Resources allows you to set up custom coverage groups for customized medical types. For example, perhaps your dental plan uses different coverages based on employee, family, spouse, etc. CYMA can handle these customizations. CYMA uses the most common coverage types as defaults, and employees must be assigned a coverage type for eligibility calculations. Once you've set up the benefit feature in Payroll, copy the feature, and establish benefit coverage types and groups, you are now ready to set up the benefit. We are using the Aetna benefit here. This is already established and available in the CYMA demo data for reference. Let's take a look at this main benefits screen. You'll notice a wealth of available information and controls. The top section is reserved for overall benefit information like provider, policy number, and other controls. You'll also want to assign this benefit to the payroll feature here. The company-based benefits section controls employer and employee costs. In this scenario, there's both a company and an employee cost based on the coverage groups we've established. These can be either straightforward rate costs, or CYMA can use bracket tables to incorporate other criteria like smoking or not, age, gender, whatever your medical plans require. We will cover establishing rate tables in another video. Company total costs can also be a flat amount of gross pay, or an accrual amount. The employee portion here is also using a rate table, but could also be a percentage, flat amount, or none. The Eligibility tab can be used to set up eligibility rules that aren't already defined in the rate tables, like career status, length of employment, etc. You'll also notice the eligibility date criteria. If needed, that can be used to fine-tune your company eligibility rules. For your reference, attachments and additional notes can be added to the individual benefit. To recap, we've added the payroll medical benefit to all employees. We've established the medical coverage group and its coverage types. And in HR, we've established the actual medical benefit and the terms of its eligibility. We are now ready to enroll employees in the benefit and push changes to payroll. From Maintain Benefits in HR, choose a benefit. Here, Aetna. Choose View Details to enroll the employees. A selection grid appears where you can filter employees or select all. You'll notice in the selection grid that some of these employees don't have a coverage type and won't be enrolled. You can filter the results based on various criteria. Again here, select all and then click the Enroll Update button. A proof report will automatically generate before enrolling. You can either go back and correct any issues or continue. This proof report is your audit to determine if additional steps or information is required. A summary will inform on how many employees were enrolled or updated. Another powerful function, you can also review detailed benefit costs by employee. You can review the company amount, employee amount, and even calculate average costs based on a selection of employees. Now all you have to do is choose Process Update Payroll to push the changes to the employees. This automatically adjusts by period regardless of the payroll frequency and automatically adds this benefit feature to employees eligible for the benefit. Other benefits can be created in a similar way using the Human Resources module and CYMA Payroll. If you'd like a demonstration, please contact CYMA at 1-800-292-2962.